Salt Lake City in the 50s. Every year was a little bit different with the Leisurehome. This is a really great example of a 57. This one had a lot of rot and damage. It was a frame-up restoration. This was done in a beautiful maple, which is a little bit of a different glow you'll see when you come inside. Come on in. This one has really nice closets. This opens up into a bed. This countertop is beautiful because it was a vintage table that we repurposed into all of the laminate surfaces. These are vintage from the 50s in France. We elevated this trailer about 3 more inches because the owner is really tall, so we wanted it to fit him. If you look in here, if you step over here, I'll show you a nice feature. As small as it is, it still has a bathroom because it's important to have a bathroom. And it's got lighting. So this one also has hot and cold running water, a refrigerator down there. It's got an induction cooktop that goes inside here so they can also cook. A lot of the times we cook outside, but it's nice to know on rainy days you still have the ability to cook inside. Again, vintage light fixtures. And this is a 57 Leisurehome.
It's just beautiful work.
Thank you, thank you.
I mean, the attention to detail is...
Yeah, upholstery and color, it's flooring. We try really hard to stay on theme with the era of the trailer and the wishes of the owners. We do design sessions with people where they just want guidance on how to restore their own trailer. We're based out of Carson City, Nevada, and would love to help anybody.
The trailer restoration included the addition of 100 amp hours onboard battery power, a 30 amp service shore power plug, and a Progressive Dynamics all-in-one AC/DC power converter charge controller.